How was your fingerprints outside of the vehicle?
I don't know. I've never been in a car.
You drove her car.
No, I didn't. I've never been inside her car. I've never even been around her car. Ever.
Fingerprints are there.
No, I haven't. I'm not lying. I've never been around her car. I've never even seen it.
She definitely was giving me the why. She was upset, you could tell, by being confronted for years. For years.